Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to the track production course on making festival house and EDM. This is a genre that you hear at pretty much every main festivals, the main stage. The signature sounds of this kind of genre are really bright, energetic, catchy leads on the hook. Not a lot of real intricate drum work because you just have a really big kick. So the genre is pretty fun to listen to. It's simple. There's not a lot going on with it, so you can keep it simple, but the elements that you do introduce have to be catchy. That's the main thing with Big Room, Festival House, and your EDM is that you're gonna have a really heavy bassy kick followed by a really catchy melody, and this is the track that we are going to make today. All right, so some things to remember when you're making this genre is, like I said, mainly is you're going to want to have something that's nice and soothing in the breakdown. You want to introduce some chords always in the breakdown to give it a nice little more musical feel. This is your more organic kind of melody ideas. And then when you get into this section right here, you can get more hype with it. Just as long as you come up with something catchy, you don't have to really introduce chords because it's not really progressive house. In that genre, you have more chords going that are sidechained to the kick, and you have more of a thicker wall of sound. This one is just more of a main lead that is working alongside a main kick, and then we have that one right here. And then you introduce the melody. So you can see with just those two elements right there, just a big kick and the lead right there, that's pretty much the genre, in its entirety. It's like I said, it's catchy and it's popular because it's really simple. All you need is just a simple 4 on the floor low end kick. It has a lot of sub bass and a lot of low end, catchy melody, and you're good to go. And yeah, it's pretty fun to make. So I will see you in the next video and we can get started.